AUDJPY Analysis Week of March 18, 2024. Introduction. Begin with a brief overview of the AUDJPY's performance, highlighting the mixed sentiment resulting from Prime Minister Kishida's statements on wage talks and the Bank of Japan's BOJ anticipated policy shift. Mention the market's reaction to these fundamental factors and the technical setup. Last week, recap. Technical summary. Discuss the market's bearish outset based on expectations around the BOJ's policy and the wage talks, but note the resilience of the 97.5 support level. Point out the range-bound price action between 98.2 and 97.2, indicating a neutral market condition amid significant fundamental news. Fundamental review. Cover key economic events and their outcomes, including Japan's final GDP and the BSI Manufacturing Index, and their implications for the AUD-JPY pair. Highlight the bearish sentiment following the BOJ and government officials' remarks on the potential end of negative interest rates. This week's fundamental outlook. Preview upcoming economic events that could significantly influence the AUD-JPY pair, focusing on the BOJ's monetary policy statement and policy rate decision, alongside the Australian cash rate announcement and other key data releases. Discuss the potential market impact of these events, especially in light of the recent government and financial officials' comments on Japan's monetary policy. Technical analysis for the week. Monthly overview. Revisit the significance of the 96 and 98.5 levels as long-term support and resistance, noting the recent narrow trading range between 98.2 and 97, and the absence of testing these key levels in the current month. Weekly forecast. Describe the ascending channel pattern that has persisted over the last 14 weeks, emphasizing the recent test of the new support at 97.5 within this pattern. Highlight the bullish sentiment for this week's trading, considering the backdrop of the ongoing discussions about the BOJ's interest rate policy. Daily outlook. Note the last 12 days of price action testing the 97.5 level, with trading confined to a narrow range, reflecting the market's anticipation of the BOJ's policy direction. Mention the significance of the 50 EMA as a pivotal level in this context. Conclusion. Summarize the market's current stance as choppy, with key levels at 97.5 and 98.2 forming the basis for potential support and resistance trades. Advise traders to be mindful of the upcoming economic announcements and their possible impact on market volatility, suggesting that there may be breakout opportunities if price levels breach the noted support or resistance. Closing remarks. Stress the importance of staying updated on BOJ and RBA announcements and their implications for interest rate policies. Highlight the need for cautious trading in the face of expected market volatility, recommending close monitoring of the 97.5 and 98.2 levels for trading signals.